What it do, yo? It's your boy Teddy Director, and we have finally reached 800 subscribers. So I have a giveaway for you guys, man. For you guys supporting the channel and commenting and liking and all that stuff. We reached 800 subscribers. So I'm going to give away all my LUTs that I use. I'm going to give them free to you guys. It's going to be a link in the description. You guys can download all these LUTs. They're all free. I just accumulated them either free. I haven't bought them, any of them I don't think. But all the ones that are free, I'm going to give you with the link to my favorite LUT. And also, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a free LUTS A7S monitor. I've already done the review for this monitor. You can click the link here. You'll see everything it does, but it's pretty much perfect for a GH5. I wouldn't really look into any other monitor besides the Atomos because this monitor is so cheap. The color is pretty good. You can definitely reference off of it. It has all the features you need, crop bars, all that stuff. You know, you can put LUTs in the GH5, so that doesn't really matter. But I'm going to be giving away this monitor, this LUTS A7S monitor at 1,000 subscribers. So you guys drop a comment, hit the like button and subscribe. We'll have more stuff and bigger giveaways for you guys later on. So stay tuned.